What's up guys, JTM Off-Road here. Today's video, we're opening some boxes. Alrighty guys, please pardon the lines on my face. I just finished the axle video. I'm jumping right in and doing this video. Week later, but really it's only like a couple minutes later from the last video. Anyway, I had my respirator on, lines on my face, looks bad. Anyway, this video, we're going to open up the boxes for the 6-inch rough country lift. Just show you what comes in them. I have to get everything kind of like organized, and I really like to kind of prep everything before I just like jump right into stuff. I like being organized. It's just how I work. So I figured maybe I'll just go ahead and do a video on it. So I'll open up the boxes, show you what's in them. You know, I'll kind of lay them out, try to be organized, say what's what. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So when you order a 6-inch lift kit for an Avalanche, Silverado, Suburban, whatever, it's going to be similar to this. Mine's an 04. Probably going to vary a little bit, but generally the independent front suspension's probably going to be pretty similar to this. So, you know, a bunch of huge boxes. Over here I've got upper and lower control arms and tie rod inners and outer tie rods, and I just figured it'd be a good idea, since I'm gonna be taking everything off, might as well replace all this stuff, right? The everything's worn out, crappy, nasty looking. These have new ball joints, new bushings and everything, and it looks so much better too. So might as well just start fresh since we have everything off. As for this stuff, we'll go ahead and just get right into it, start opening some boxes. Alright, first box. Two-inch wheel spacers for 6 on 5.5 and 8 by 6.5. Looks like there's some instructions, just adding wheel spacers. I was told that they're needed for the back, so we'll see how that goes once we get that far. These are the wheel spacers. Very nice, very big. Wow, those are big. But, yep, nice looking. Very solid. Very solid. Jeez. Those are those. Second box. I don't know if you guys are going to find more enjoyment in opening these boxes, or me just butchering boxes opening them. Wow. Was that just thrown in there? Is that a joke? I don't think that's supposed to be in there. I don't know what that would be for. It looks way too big for anything I'm going to use. But hey, whatever. These are the new knuckles. Wow. These are huge. Massive. So, I believe for the most part, like, size is kind of similar, but I think like the upper part is a lot taller. But just to give you guys an idea how big these actually are, that's a little over 16 inches, about 16.25 inches. So these are very big, very beefy. Like, that probably weighs a good 25-30 pounds just in itself. But I didn't realize how big those are. They're big. Alrighty, box number 3. Alright, so we have instructions, which ahead of time I went online and printed out a set just to kind of give myself an idea what I was getting myself into. Gives you torque specs on all the type of bolts, what size and everything, and then tools needed. There's a lot of tools that I didn't have just offhand. I'm sure you get away with the crescent wrench for different size wrenches and stuff, but you know, I don't want to be running to the store when I'm doing this, so I just went ahead and marked down what I needed when I bought them. Ended up being a lot of money, but hopefully it should save some headaches. So, everything in the bag, we have, let's see, it looks like probably stickers for the shocks that come with it. Warning driver sticker. Let's see, service reminder. Check and retighten wheels after 50 miles. All suspension components must be retightened at 500 miles and then every 3,000 miles. Periodically check tightness. That's kind of good. It's kind of a good idea. It's always a good idea to check that kind of stuff. Let's see, and little catalog, accessories and stuff. Ooh, it's nice bumpers and stuff. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And like I said, instructions. I'm going to keep my set of instructions out. We're going to go ahead and throw this all back in here for now. Alright, there's one shock. That'd be for the front. Looks like we got some brackets. I'm not gonna know probably which brackets are which right off the bat. I think there's some for the shocks and some for like track bars and sway bars and stuff like that. So, but they all look really good. There's no chips in the powder coat or anything, so that's always good. Got our other shock. And a box of hardware. So this one looks like we got probably like a bump stop extender, sway bar links, bolts, some brackets, probably a brake line extender bracket, bushings and stuff for the shocks. Seems to be about it for this one. I'm going to keep all this stuff together because it's probably for this stuff. So I'm going to try to keep everything as close together as possible, just for ease later on. So we'll just go ahead and keep all this stuff back together and put it off to the side. Here's the fourth box. Holy cow. Wow. These are some massive coils. Jeez, those are huge. I'm going to have to get my other ones just to show you a comparison because those are really big. And just some filler material. Alright, I don't know how well this is going to do on camera, but are you guys ready for this? Look at the size difference on that. That is pretty big. I don't know. It might not look it on camera, but there's a pretty big difference. Definitely, you know, lengthwise, but these do seem like they're stiffer springs. They seem much thicker than the stock ones. So, which isn't bad. I would honestly hope that this is going to have a stiffer ride than what I had before. And also I hope it helps with towing. In the back of my truck I have to use a weight distribution hitch because the rear just sags so much. So hopefully that'll actually help. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but hopefully that helps with that. I don't know. We'll see. But yep, there's the coils. Fifth box. right here. These are actually instructions I didn't get off the website. I might have looked at the wrong thing. So it looks like we got more of the same stuff that was in the other pack. So there's that. Man, this one's actually packaged really nice. I don't know how much I want to take this out just because it's packaged so nice, but I think a lot of this, like this is for the front diff. You have to cut some stuff off of that, and then this is for the new mount. A couple more brackets. I think these are sleeves for the control arms. Sway bar bushings, or sorry, sway bar links. We have some, these are extenders for the axles, for the CV axles. Those are actually really light. They seem almost like a CNC plastic or something. Those are the spacers for those. Wow, thick skid plate, very thick. Looks like 3/16 1/4" skid plate. Very nice powder coating on that. And then just bags and bags of bolts and bushings and everything. So again, I'm going to keep that all together. This looks like it's probably a decal. And more brackets. This is the torsion bar drop, raise, whatever it's going to be. That goes on your lower control arms. So there's 2 of these. Again, super heavy, super beefy. That material is very thick. I'm just curious to see. That's like 3/8 right there. Further up, it's even thicker. That's 1/2 inch. So very, very beefy stuff. I don't think any of this is going to break ever. And of course I can't put it back in the same way it came. So it's going to be all nice and messed up. But it's in there. Alrighty, and hopefully the last of the boxes. There we go, that looks about right. Got 2 brackets. Oh, jeez. Very large. Got a cool RC rough country emblem in the front there. Again, the powder coating all looks very nice on this. Hopefully, we'll see how long it lasts, but it looks very nice, very durable. And nice little box full of air. And then another bracket. I can't remember which one this is for. I think this one's for this one might be for the front diff. I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow. So there it is, guys. I kind of wanted to keep this a short video. I'm kind of just in a rush getting this stuff all done, and just, you know, want to get everything laid out, organized, and just figure I'd do a video. So there's everything. It all looks very solid. I do not see any defects in any of the packages I've got. Everything looks perfect. No scratches, no nothing. Looks great. Especially like this packaging is, that's some top-notch packaging. Anyway, Rough Country sent me this kit. They donated it to me. They want me to have this on my Avalanche, and I am just blown away that they want to do this for me. So I'm going to do some videos, try to do the best I can to cover everything. Not going to be how-to videos. If you guys have watched all my videos, you know it's just me doing whatever. I'm always just getting myself into tons of messes. It's just how it works, and you know, it is what it is. But I'm going to try to do the best I can to video everything, and hopefully make some entertaining videos for you guys. So they sent me this like the beginning of the year, like around January, and it's now April. I set a goal. I set a goal for myself to have this done by beginning of May, and this is the last big push. This is the last weekend in April. So tomorrow's a Friday. I'm gonna spend all weekend trying to get this on and hopefully have it all done. So one of these videos, I have the new wheels that I got. I got Raceline Defender 935Gs, and they look amazing. I have those on a set of 35 by 12.5s. They're Mickey Thompson. I got a great deal off a buddy. I just can't wait to get this all done. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you subscribe if you haven't already. Keep an eye out for all the other videos on the Avalanche that are going to be coming up. Probably going to break them up into probably at least 2 videos, if not a third, depending on how long this takes, how many problems I come into. You know, it's a 2004 Chevy Avalanche. I live up in western Pennsylvania. It's in the salt all the time, so I'm very nervous, very nervous about some of this stuff, especially the torsion bars. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna video it along the way. So alrighty guys, I think that's about it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.